Alright, hang on a sec. I've been designing some new cores with nanocrystalline for the actuators, and I mean, obviously at the moment the I've been using ferrite cores in the large rectangles. So I didn't want to be spending all my time reprinting all this stuff. So because I've printed on, as you can see, there's too many of them, and I've got these coming out of my ears right now. So what I came up with was an insert that goes in these little, where the ferrites go at the moment. So, and using the principle that I was explaining before, which is when you get a magnet, I'll just show you, I have to show you again because it kind of some people don't watch all my videos, so they don't follow what I've been talking about. So let's see, if you get two pieces of metal on a magnet, you can't populate both of them side by side without them having repulsion. If I put this other nail on there, the other one falls over like that, and if I try to lift this nail, if I try to lift this nail and move it towards the other nail, the other one is pushed away. So this is simple basic flux behaviour. So if I push that nail towards that nail, then the other nail is going to want to move away, as you can see, because we have a repulsion effect, because the magnetic field doesn't like its own field next to it, because it will push it away. So using that principle, I designed these new cores which are inserts. So we have our magnetic field that's on this side, and the magnetic field is channeled down these nanocrystalline cores which go down here, down both sides, and because of the repulsion effect we also have the little intersections in there and there, and the idea is that this will create a repulsion effect on the incoming side where the flux comes in, but the flux will actually travel down there to our coils, but it will reduce the amount of drag. That's the whole point, the cogging effect. So this is my insert, and it's a tiny little thing, and I'm printing it at the moment, and the first two I did failed, and this is how big they are, they're very tiny. Printing two at the moment. I'll tell you why the first I printed four earlier. What happened was this adapter lead fell off the drawer and landed on my printer drum, my filament, and jammed it up, and my printer was struggling to pull the filament through, and anyway, you won't be able to see them because I threw them in my acetone and melting them down for glue because they were just totally wrecked. I set this printer going, I went to the shop and I came back and thought, uh-oh, what's going on here? They literally fell apart when I picked them up off the bed. They weren't, the layers had all come apart. So anyway, I'm printing the new ones and they're coming out great. So yeah, just a quick update on the these inserts, and it'll save me a lot of plastic because I can just put the nanocrystalline material in. I can balance each piece, each one of them. I can just balance it, weigh it on the scale, get them the same weight, and then plug them into my existing segments, yeah, which are in the rotor actually. Right, okay, bye for now.